next domain of f of x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Here also this is in this form 1 by square root of h of x. So it is defined only when 1 minus x square greater than 0. Remember that even if you write greater than or equal to 0, they will not give you the marks. Very, very important. Okay, you have to write exactly the requirement domain. That's why this topic is very, very important for those who wants to get 75 marks. Now, you multiply with minus 1, so x square minus 1 less than 0. So it will be x minus x plus 1 into x minus 1 less than 0. Now, this is the case. But here you don't have equality. Now this is in this form, x minus a into x minus b less than 0. The difference in these two forms is, here you have equality symbol, here there is no equality symbol, only inequality. That means the domain here it is going to be x belongs to open a comma b. So domain x belongs to open minus 1 comma 1. That is the domain. If you have equality, you need to write closed minus 1 comma 1. Okay. Now the next one. Domain of f of x is equal to square root of domain of f of x is equal to 1 by x square minus 1 into x plus 3. Now, these are called rational functions. Rational functions will be in this form, f of x by g of x is defined only when g of x not equal to 0. These are called rational functions. So rational functions are defined only when denominator is not equal to 0. So it is defined only when x square minus 1 into x plus 3 not equal to 0. Now this can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 3 not equal to 0. Product not equal to 0 means none of them is a 0. If any one of this function is 0, you will get 0. So you need to have x not equal to minus 1 or x plus 1 not equal to 0 and x minus 1 not equal to 0 and x plus 3 not equal to 0. All of them are non-zero numbers. So x not equal to minus 1, minus 3 and 1. Minus 1, x not equal to minus 1, x not equal to 1, x not equal to minus 1. That means domain. You can take every real value except these numbers. You cannot take minus 1, minus 3, 1 means there are infinitely many numbers, real numbers, set of all real numbers except these numbers, minus 3, minus 1, 1. This is the domain. You can take all real numbers except these numbers.